Changu, dance instruments used for dancing by tribals of Orissa. Blow instrument. So these are the instruments to make a blow, a sound, a siren like that. Blow instruments used by tribals of Orissa. Changu, it's a kind of drums, we can say, flat drums. String instruments used by for producing instrumental music by Odisha tribals. Flute made by Odisha tribals to use in their functions. Stick instruments, these are the instruments using the stick for musical display, musical functions, festivals. What is this? Clapper instruments to produce jil sound. Koya dance costume. This is the costume used for dancing and music. Halwa dance instruments. Dhokra items used in the music and dance by tribals of US, Orissa. Dhokra items. Dhokra items, musical items. Dhokra items. Changu items, damarak. See that other big instruments. This is a kind of drum. It's also a kind of drum. And these are the couples, tribal couples. This is another kind of drum. Hill Karya couple, people living in hills. One kind of drum, another kind of drum. Musical instruments. Musical instruments. This is another kind of drum. This is one kind of drum. Lanchla Savara couple, my God. It's a huge drum with the trumpet. See, Dadhya couple. I asked one of the staff here, why do you use the neck band? They told me to protect themselves from the tiger attack. See, another kind of drum, musical drums. This is one kind of drum. See these small drums here. Drums. This is another kind of musical instrument. All sorts of different types. More of 90% of musical instruments are more of drums to produce huge volume of sound. That's all. Thank you.